उपमं जननी प्रसूता सर्वादिशो दधति भानि सहस्ररश्मिं प्राच्येव दिग्जनयति स्फुरदंशुजालं त्वामामनन्ति मुनये परमं पुमांस मादित्यवर्णममलं तमस पुरस्तात् त्वामेव सम्यगुपलभ्य जयन्ति मृत्युं नान्या शिवा शिवपदश्च मुनीन्द्रपन्था त्वामावयं विभुमचेत्यमसङ्ख्यमाधं ब्रह्माणमीश्वरमनन्तमनङ्गकेतुं योगीश्वरं विदितयोगमनेकमेकं ज्ञानस्वरूपममलं प्रवदन्ति सन्ता।
बुद्धस्त्वमेव विबुधार्चितबुद्धिबोधात् त्वं शङ्करोऽसि भुवनत्रयशङ्करत्वात् धातासि धीरशिवमार्गविधेर्विधानात् व्यक्तं त्वमेव भगवन् पुरुषोत्तमोऽसि।
तुभ्यं नमस्त्रिभुवनार्तिहराय नाथ तुभ्यं नमः क्षितितलामलभूषणाय तुभ्यं नमस्त्रिजगतः परमेश्वराय तुभ्यं नमो जिनभवोदधिशोषणाय
को विस्मयोऽत्र यदि नाम गुणैर्विशेषे त्वं संश्रितो निरवकाशतया मुनीश दोषैरुपात् विविधाश्रयजात गर्वै स्वप्नान्तरेऽपि न कदाचिदपेक्षितोऽसि।
उच्चैरशोकतरुसंसृतमुन्मयूख मा भाति रूपममलं भवतो नितान्तं स्पष्टोलसत्किरणमस्ततमोवितानं बिम्बं रवेरिव पयोधर पार्श्ववर्ती
सिंहासने मणिमयूखशिखा विचित्रे विभ्राजते तव वपुः कनकावदातं बिम्बं वियद्विलसदंशुलतावितानं तुङ्गोदयाद्रिशिरसीव सहस्ररश्मै।
कुन्दावदात चलचामरचारुशोभम् विभ्राजते तव वपुः कलधौतकान्तम् उद्यच्छ शाङ्खशुचिनिर्झरवारिधार मुच्चैस्थितं सुरगिरेरिव शातकौम्भम्
छत्रत्रयं तव विभाति शशाङ्ककान्त मुच्चैस्थितं स्थगितभानुकरप्रतापम् मुक्ताफलप्रकरजालविवृद्धशोभं प्रख्यापयत्रिजगतः परमेश्वरत्वम्।
गम्भीरताररवपूरितदिग्विभाग त्रैलोक्यलोकशुभसङ्गमभूतिदक्ष सद्धर्मराज जय घोषण घोषकः सन् खेदुन्दुभिर्भवति ते यशसः प्रवादी
मंदार सुंदर नमेरु सुपारिजात
संतानकादिकुसुमोत्कर वृष्टिरोधा गन्धोधबिन्दु शुभमन्दमरुत्प्रपाता दिव्या दिवः पतति ते वचसां ततिर्वा शुम्भप्रभावलय भूरि विभाविभोस्ते लोकत्रये द्युतिमतां द्युतिमां क्षिपन्ति प्रोद्यद्विकाकर भूरि संख्या दीप्त्या जयत्यपि निशामपि सोम सौम्याम् स्वर्गापवर्गगममार्गविमार्गनिष्ठ सद्धर्मतत्त्वकथनैकपटुस्त्रिलोक्या दिव्यध्वनिन् भवति ते विशदार्थ सर्व भाषा स्वभाव परिणाम गुणैः प्रयोज्य उन्निद्र हेम नव पंकज पुंज कांति पूर्यलसन्न नखमयूख शिखाभिरामौ पादौ पदानि तव यत्र जिनेन्द्र दत्त पद्मानि तत्र विबुधा परिकल्पयन्ति इत्थं तथा तव विभूतिरभूजिनेन्द्र धर्मोपदेशन विधौ न तथा परस्य याद्रगभा दिनकृतः प्रहतान्धकारा ताद्रकुतो ग्रहगृणस्य विकाशिनोऽपि चोच्चतन् मदाविलविलोलकपोलमूल मत्तभ्रमद भ्रमरनाद विवृद्ध कोपम् ऐरावताममि मुद्तमापतन्तम् दृष्ट्वा भयं भवति नो भवदाश्रितानाम् भिन्नेभकुम्भगलदोज्ज्वलशोणिताक्ता मुक्ताफलप्रकरभूषितभूमिभाग बद्धक्रमः क्रमगतं हरिणाधिपोऽपि नाक्रामति क्रमयुगाचलसंश्रितं ते कल्पान्तकालपवनोदतवह्निकल्पम् दावानलं ज्वलितमोज्ज्वलमोत्स्फुलिङ्गम् विश्वं जिघत्सुमेव सम्मुखमापतन्तम् त्वन्नाम कीर्तनजलं शमयत्यशेषम्
रक्तेषणं समदकोकिलकण्ठनीलम् क्रोधोदितं फणिनमुत्पणमापतन्तम् आक्रामति क्रमयुगेन निरस्तशङ्का स्वन्नाम्नागदमनि हृदयस्य पुंसः बलगतुरङ्गगजगर्जित भीमनाद माजबलं बलवतां विभुक्तेन नाम उद्यद्दिवाकरमयूखशिखापविद्धम् त्वत्कीर्तनात्तम इवाशुभिदामुपैति कुन्ताग्रभिन्न गज शोणित वारिवाहा वेगावतार तरणातुर योध भीमे युद्धे जयं विजित दुर्जय जेय पक्षा स्वतपाद पंकज वनाश्रयिनो लभन्ते अम्भो निधो क्षोभित भीषण नक्र चक्र पाटीन पीठ बैदोलवन वाडवाग्न रंग तरंग शिखर स्थित यान पात्रा स्रासं विहाय भवता स्मरणाद व्रजन्ति उद्भूत भीषण जलोदर बार भुग्ना शोच्यां दशामुपगताश्च्युत जीविताशा त्वत्पाद पंकज रजोमृत देख देहा मर्त्या भवन्ति मकर ध्वज तुल्य रूपा आपाद कंठ मुरुशंकर वेष्टितांगा गाढ़ं बृहन्निगड कोटि निगृष्ट जंगा त्वन्नाम मंत्र मनिषं मनुजा स्मरन्ता सद्यः स्वयं विगत बंध भया भवन्ति मत्ता द्विपेन्द्र मृगराज दवान लाहि संग्राम वारिधि महोदर बंदनोत्तम तस्याशुनाशमुपयाति भयं विएव यस्तावकं स्वमिमं मतिमानिधीते स्तोत्रस्रजं तव जिनेन्द्र गुणैर्निबद्धां भक्त्या मया रुचिर्वर्ण विचित्र पुष्पां दत्ते जनो य इह कंठ गतां जस्रं तम मान तुंगमवशा समुपैति लक्ष्मीः तम मान तुंगमवशा समुपैति लक्ष्मीः।
Jinendra, everyone, खूब अनुमोदना to all the families who recited Bhaktamar Stotra so beautifully for us. आप सभी ने बहुत ही अच्छा गाया, so इसके लिए फिर एक बार बहुत अनुमोदना. Thank you. So now moving on to the next part of the program, I would like to invite one of our senior and very well respected members of the GCM Sangh. He has always been there for us whenever we have requested him. So I would like to invite Mr. Vinod Shah for reciting Moti Shanti.
विनोद अंकल आप म्यूट ऊपर छो.
जय जिनेन्द्र. नमो ओरियंताणम नमो सिद्धाणम नमो आर्यणम नमो उच्चाणम नमो लोसौसाणम एसो पंचनमुकारो सब पावपणासनो मंगलाने च सर्वे सिंह पद भवे मंगलम वो सगरम पासम पासम बंदामे कमगण मुखम विसहर विशेषनाश मंगल कल्याण आवासम विसहर पुलिगमतम कंठे धारे जोशया मणो तसग रोग मारी दूठ जरा जंती हुवसामम चीवठे दूरे मंतो तुझ प्रणामोवी बहुफलो होय नरतरी येसुवी जीवा पावंती न दुखो दो कंचम तुह सम्मते लद्दे चिंतामणि कप पायव बिये पावंती अविधि गेणम जीवा य राम मरणम ठाणम यह संतु मायस भक्ति भर निबरम हीनता देश भवे भवे पास जिन चंदम भो भव्या सुनत वचन प्रस्तुतु सर्व में तत् यात्रा त्रिगुण रागता भक्ति भाजम त्रैश्याम शांति भवतु भवता मदीप वदारोग्य सिद्धि मति करी क्लेश बिंद सहतु भो भव्य लोका यही बर तरावत विदेह संभवना समतित का जन्म आसन प्रणकमा नंतरम विधिना विघ्न विघ्नाय सो धर्माधपति सुगोसा घंटा चालंतर सकल सुरा सुरेंद्र सह समाज्य सविनय मदपटराग गयत्वा गत्वा कनका दृश्य हेंगे विहित जन्माभिषेक शांति मुद्स गोष्यता ततोर कुता नुकार मिति कत्वा महाजनो येन गत स्थापना इत भवे जन स समेत्रे स्नात्रे पीठे स्नात्र विदाय शांति मुद्स्यामि तत्त पूजा यात्रा स्नात्रा दिशमा महोत्सव नंतर मिति कर्णदत्या निश्चयंता निशिहामता स्वा ओम पुण्यहम प्रियंता प्रियंता भगवंता सर्वज्ञा सर्वदर्शन स्त्री लोकना का त्रिलोकमयता स्त्रीलोक पूजा स्त्रीलोकेश्वरा श्रीलुदोतो करा ओम ऋषभ अजित संभव अभिनंदन सुमति प्रद्नपब सुपास चंद्रपब सुविधि शीतल श्रेयास वासु पूजे विमल अनंत धर्म शांति कुंतु अरमली मुनि सूरत नमी नेमी पार्श बदमानता जीना शांता शांति करा भवंतु सोहा ओम मुनयो मुनि प्रभा रिपूजे दुर्भिष कांत रेक्षु दुर्ग मागेशु रक्षन्तु वो नित्यम स्वा ओम ह्रीं श्रीं धीति मिति कीर्ति कांति बुद्धि लक्ष्मी मेघा विधा साधन प्रवेश निवेशुनि सुग्रहित नामनो जयंतु ते जिनेन्द्रा ओम रोहिणी प्रज्ञपति वज्र संकला बजा कुर्सी अपृष्का पुरुष दाता काली महाकाली गौरी गांधारी सावस्ता महाज्वाला मानवी वैरुत्या अच्युता मानसी महामानसी औषध विधा देवी रक्षन्तु बोध नित्यम स्वा ओम आचार्य पाद्य प्रभु चातुर्गुण श्री समन संघर्ष शांति भवतु तुष्टि भवतु पुष्टि भवतु ओम ग्रह चंद्र सूर्य ग्रह बुध बृहस्पति शुक्र शनेश्वर राहु केतु सहिता सलकपाला सोम यम वरुण कुबेर वसभद्रते सिकंद विनायक कोपेता ये चानिद्रपि ग्राम नगर क्षेत्र देवता देशते सभी प्रियंतरम अक्षीण कोष्ठ कोष्ठगारा नर पत्साई भवंतु स्वा ओम पुत्र मित्र भात्र कलत्र सुहस्त स्वजन संबंधी बंधु वर्ग सहिता नित्यम चामोद प्रामोद कार्यम अस्मिस बुनियाद निवासिनी साधु साध्वी श्रावक श्राविकाणा रोगो पोषक व्याधि दुख दुर्भिक्ष दम नशपसनाय शांति बोध ओम तुष्टि पुष्टि शुद्धि बुद्धि लक्ष्मी मांगल श्रद्धा ब्रादु भूतानि पापानि सामान्य शब्द भवन्तु स्वा श्रीमते शांति नाथाय नमः शांति लोक मुराज मुक्ता पंचदे शांति शांति कर श्रीमान शांति दिस्तु में गुरु शांति रे श्रद्धा तेसा ऐसा शांति ग्रह ग्रह उमनिष्ठ रिष्ट दुष्ट ग्रह गति दुस्वप्न दुर्नामितादि संपदाते संपन्न गयम जयंते शांति श्री संग जग जनपद राजा दीप राजसनम गोष्ठी पुरमुख्याणम व्यार वाचतनम श्री समण संघर्ष शांति भवतु श्री जनपदानां शांति भवतु श्री राजाधिपानां शांति भवतु श्री राजसेवेशानां शांति भवतु श्री गोष्ठिकानां शांति भवतु श्री पौरोमुख्यानां शांति भवतु श्री परोजनस्य शांति भवतु श्री ब्रह्मलोकस्य शांति भवतु ओम स्वाहा ओम स्वाहा ओम श्री पारसनाथाय स्वाहा एषां शांति प्रतिष्ठा दोषानि शांति कलश गहित्वा कुमकुम चंदन कर्पूर राग धूप वास कुसुमांजलि स्मेत्र स्नात्र चोस्तिका श्री संग संगमेत सूचि सूचि वापी पुष्प वस्त्र चंदना भरणा लखन पुष्पमाला कंचे कत्व शांति बुद्धस्य शांतिम पानीयम मस्तके नत्यंत नत्यंत मणि पुष्पम सुजंति गायन्ति चमगलाणि स्तोत्राणि गोत्राणि पतित मतमाणम कल्याणो भाजो जिनाभिषेके शिव मस्तु सर्व जगत पर हजनिता भवतु भूतगणा दोषा प्रयंतु नाशम सर्वस्त सुखी भवन्तु लोका अहं तीर्थमाया शिवा देवी तुम नयर निवासिनी अहम शिवम तुहम शिवम असीमो वसम शिवम भवतु स्वा उपसर्गा चयनते चिदनते विघ्न विलय मन प्रसन्नता मेति पूज्य माने जिनेश्वरे सर्व मंगलम मांगल्यम सर्व कल्याण कारणम प्रधानम सर्व धर्माणम जैनम जेति शासनम जैनम जेति शासनम जैनम जेति शासनम 12 नौकार नमो ओरियंताणम नमो सिद्धाणम नमो आर्यणम नमो उज्जानम नमो लोसवसानम ईश्वरमुकारो सबे पापणासनो मंगलानि च सर्वे सिंपद भावे मंगलम नमो ओरियंताणम नमो सिद्धाणम नमो आर्यणम नमो उज्जानम नमो लोसवसानम ईश्वरमुकारो सबे पापणासनो मंगलानि च सर्वे सिंपद भावे मंगलम नमो ओरियंताणम नमो सिद्धाणम नमो आर्यणम नमो उज्जानम नमो लोसवसानम ईश्वरमुकारो सबे पापणासनो मंगलानि च सर्वे सिंपद भावे मंगलम नमो ओरियंताणम नमो सिद्धाणम नमो आर्यणम नमो उज्जानम नमो लोसवसानम ईश्वरमुकारो सबे पापणासनो मंगलानि च सर्वे सिंपद भावे मंगलम नमो ओरियंताणम नमो सिद्धाणम नमो आर्यणम नमो उज्जानम नमो लोसवसानम ईश्वरमुकारो सबे पापणासनो मंगलानि च सर्वे सिंपद भावे मंगलम नमो ओरियंताणम नमो सिद्धाणम नमो आर्यणम नमो उज्जानम नमो लोसवसानम ईश्वरमुकारो सर्वे पापणासनो मंगलानि च सर्वे सिंपद भावे मंगलम नमो ओरियंताणम नमो सिद्धाणम नमो आर्यणम नमो उज्जानम नमो लोसवसानम ईश्वरमुकारो सर्वे पापणासनो मंगलानि च सर्वे सिंपद भावे मंगलम नमो ओरियंताणम नमो सिद्धाणम नमो आर्यणम नमो उज्जानम नमो लोसवसानम ईश्वरमुकारो सर्वे पापणासनो मंगलानि च सर्वे सिंपद भावे मंगलम नमो ओरियंताणम नमो सिद्धाणम नमो आर्यणम नमो उज्जानम नमो लोसवसानम ईश्वरमुकारो सर्वे पापणासनो मंगलानि च सर्वे सिंपद भावे मंगलम नमो ओरियंताणम नमो सिद्धाणम नमो आर्यणम नमो उज्जानम नमो लोसवसानम ईश्वरमुकारो सर्वे पापणासनो मंगलानि च सर्वे सिंपद भावे मंगलम नमो ओरियंताणम नमो सिद्धाणम नमो आर्यणम नमो उज्जानम नमो लोसवसानम ईश्वरमुकारो सर्वे पापणासनो मंगलानि च सर्वे सिंपद भावे मंगलम नमो ओरियंताणम नमो सिद्धाणम नमो आर्यणम नमो उज्जानम नमो लोसवसानम ईश्वरमुकारो सर्वे पापणासनो मंगलानि च सर्वे सिंपद भावे मंगलम पदम हवे मंगलम સૌ સુખી સૌ જય જિનેન્દ્ર એના બધાને સુખ ભાવના બધા બી કેરફુલ બી એન્ડ ટેક કેર ઓફ યોરસેલ્ફ જય જિનેન્દ્ર
खूब अनुमोदना विनोद भाई for such a peaceful recital. Thank you again. Now I would like to invite one of our foundational members, Sri Ishwar Bhakta, for reciting Samapna Vani by Srimad Rajchandra ji. I would also like to thank him for sparing time and be with us today.
ईश्वर भाई ઈશ્વર અંકલ તમે મ્યુટ ઉપર છો, તમારે અનમ્યુટ થવું પડશે. જય જિનેન્દ્ર, થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ ઈશ્વર અંકલ. આઈ થિંક તમે અનમ્યુટ થયા હમણાં, પાછા મ્યુટ થઈ ગયું છે. જય જિનેન્દ્ર એવરીવન. સોરી અંકલ કરી રહ્યા છે અનમ્યુટ, તો આપણે 1 મિનિટ. અને ધીસ ઇઝ અ ગુડ ટાઈમ કે આપણે થોડી વારમાં આરતી આવશે, તો તમે આરતીની થાળી आप प्रिपेयर करके रखिए. आज बहुत भव्य 3 आरती, गुजराती आरती, और पंच परमेष्टि आरती और उसके बाद मंगल दीवो। हम अपने घर से सब अपने जो आपके घर पे भगवान जी हो तो उसको आप प्रोजेक्ट कर सकेंगे और सबको लाभ का आनंद लाभ मिलेगा। तो प्लीज आप दर्शन करवाइए अपने घर के भगवान जी मूर्ति या फोटो भी हो, राइट, जिसको आप प्रे करते हैं। तो एक भव्य गृह समूह आरती आज करेंगे। ईश्वर भाई अनम्यूट थे। બાકી તમે ફોનથી બી કનેક્ટ થઈને ઓડિયો આપી શકો છો.
Sorry, but host can unmute Ishwar uncle from that side.
Yeah. Host only can ask for unmute. We cannot unmute. Basically, it's a security issue, right? So when I click, he can get kind of pop up to unmute. But until he accepts, I cannot do anything, right? But બે મિનિટ આપણે રાહ જોઈએ.
જય જીનેન્દ્ર.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
એક શ્રીમદ રાજચંદ્રનું એક કાવ્ય ગાઈશ હું. શુભ શીતળતામય છાય રહી મન વાંછિત જ્યાં ફળ પંક્તિ કહી જીન ભક્તિ ગ્રહો તરુ કલ્પયહો ભજીને ભગવંત ભવંત લહો ભજીને ભગવંત ભવંત લહો નિજ આત્મ સ્વરૂપ મુદા પ્રગટે મન તાપયુતાપ તમામ મટે અતિ નિર્જરતા વણદામ ગ્રહો ભજીને ભગવંત ભવંત લહો સમભાવી સદા પરિણામ થશે જડમંદય ધોગતિ જન્મ જશે શુભ મંગળયા પરિપૂર્ણ ચહો ભજીને ભગવંત ભવંત લહો સમભાવી સદા પરિણામ થશે જડમંદય ધોગતિ જન્મ જશે શુભ મંગળયા પરિપૂર્ણ ચહો ભજીને ભગવંત ભવંત લહો નિજ આત્મ સ્વરૂપ મુદા પ્રગટે મન તાપયુતાપ તમામ મટે અતિ નિર્જરતા વણદામ ગ્રહો ભજીને ભગવંત ભવંત લહો શુભ ભાવ વડે મન શુદ્ધ કરો નવકાર મહાપદને સમરો નહીં એહ ક્ષમા ન સુમંત્ર કહો ભજીને ભગવંત ભવંત લહો કરશો ક્ષય કેવળ રાગ કથા દર્શો શુભ તત્વ સ્વરૂપ યથા રૂપચંદ્ર પ્રપંચયનંત દહો ભજીને ભગવંત ભવંત લહો ભજીને ભગવંત ભવંત લહો. હે ભગવાન, હે ભગવાન, હું બહુ ભૂલી ગયું. મેં તમારા અમૂલ્ય વચનને લક્ષ્યમાં લીધા નહીં. તમારા કહેલા અનુપમ તત્વનો મેં વિચાર કર્યો નહીં. તમારા પ્રણીત કરેલા ઉત્તમ શીલને સેવ્યું નહીં. તમારા કહેલા દયા શાંતિ ક્ષમા અને પવિત્રતા મેં ઓળખ્યા નહીં. હે ભગવાન, હું ભૂલ્યો, આથડ્યો, રજડ્યો અને અનંત સંસારની વિટમણામાં પડ્યો છું. હું પાપી છું, હું બહુ મદોન્મત્ત અને કર્મરજથી કરીને મલિન છું. હે પરમાત્મા, તમારા કહેલા તત્વ વિના મારો મોક્ષ નથી. હું નિરંતર પ્રપંચમાં પડ્યો છું, અજ્ઞાનથી અંધ થયો છું. મારામાં વિવેક શક્તિ નથી અને હું મૂઢ છું. હું નિરાશ્રિત છું, અનાથ છું. નિરાગી પરમાત્મા, હું હવે તમારું, તમારા ધર્મનું અને તમારા મુનિનું શરણ ગ્રહું છું. મારા અપરાધ ક્ષય થઈ હું તે સર્વ પાપથી મુક્ત થઉં એ મારી અભિલાષા છે. આગળ કરેલા પાપોનો હું હવે પશ્ચાતાપ કરું છું. જેમ જેમ હું સૂક્ષ્મ વિચારથી ઊંડો ઉતરું છું, તેમ તેમ તમારા તત્વના ચમત્કારો મારા સ્વરૂપનો પ્રકાશ કરે છે. તમે નિરાગી, નિર્વિકારી, સચ્ચિદાનંદ સ્વરૂપ, સહજાનંદી, અનંત જ્ઞાની, અનંતદર્શી અને ત્રૈલોક્ય પ્રકાશક છો. હું માત્ર મારા હિતને અર્થે તમારી સાક્ષીએ ક્ષમા ચાહું છું. એક પળ પણ તમારા કહેલા તત્વની શંકા ન થાય. તમારા કહેલા રસ્તામાં અહોરાત્ર હું રહું, એ જ મારી આકાંક્ષા અને વૃત્તિ થાઓ. હે સર્વજ્ઞ ભગવાન, તમને હું વિશે શું કહું? તમારાથી કંઈ પણ અજાણ્યું નથી. માત્ર પશ્ચાતાપથી હું કર્મજન્ય પાપની ક્ષમા ઈચ્છું છું. ઓમ શાંતિ શાંતિ શાંતિ. થેન્ક યુ.
Jai Jinendra, thank you very much, Ishwar uncle. Now I'd like to invite Sri Parthiv Shah to provide us more details on the upcoming Mahavir Janma Kalyanak event. Parthiv bhai, over to you.
જય જીનેન્દ્ર એવરીવન. ઘણી ઘણી અનુમોદના ઈશ્વરભાઈ, આપે ખૂબ જ સુંદર રીતે આજે અમને જે ક્ષમાવાણી સંભળાવી છે તેના માટે આપનો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર. जैसे आप जानते हो, ईश्वर भक्ता फैमिली is a backbone of Jain Center of Minnesota. Around 50 members they have in that family, and Ishwar Bhai एक अपना वडील ज नहीं पण always they are with us to support all the activities of Jain Center. तो बहुत 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 अच्छा लगता है. हमारे ओरिजिनल मेंबर्स विनोद भाई ले लो आप, या ईश्वर भाई ले लो, लास्ट टाइम हमारे पास कुसुम बहन थे. तो जो जिन्होंने JCM बिल्ड किया 5-6 फैमिलीज, वो आज भी हमारे साथ इतने कनेक्टेड है. उसके लिए मैं जैन सेंटर की ओर से, बोर्ड की ओर से आपको बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया करता हूँ. So back to the business. Next event, the biggest event of our year, महावीर जन्म कल्याणक, 25th April. So वैसे आप जानते हो इस टाइम 25th April आती है संडे को, तो वी आर प्लानिंग टू हैव महावीर जन्म कल्याणक इवेंट ऑन द सेम डे as per Tithi, where everyone in India also celebrate on that day. भगवान महावीर का ओरिजिनल जन्म तिथि ये है, right? Even though we celebrate sometimes during a Paryushana by Swapna Darshan, but actual it's on this April 25th basically. So what we are trying to do, we try to celebrate Bhagwan Mahavir's Janma from Swapna Darshan to આપણું એમનું જે મેરુ પર્વત પર લઈ ગયા, સ્નાત્ર થયું, right? So everything we would like to follow in the musical drama format. As you can see, we are collaborating with Tapovan India, so they are providing live music, live drama skit, everything from there. And it's a Snatra Mahotsav, so it's not only Snatra but also our traditional programs like our cultural programs, kids program, Pathshala, it will be intermingled with that skit of the flow of the program. Again, we are trying to do hybrid event. Hybrid means like last year, right? It was a great success. We had Zoom event, but on the same time, as things are kind of improving a little bit, and based on the Minnesota State's guideline, Hindu Mandir's guideline, we are working with Hindu Mandir to have limited capacity auditorium, availability. So I think they are right now 50 people allowed, and they are changing that policy soon to get it more people. But again, your safety is our priority. And that's why you are seeing from last 1 year, we have all events online. But this time, last year, apdu aaj event thi, we started online events. So this is the benchmark that if possible, we can start hybrid events. Means event might be at the auditorium. It's a live telecasted on Zoom. Those got vaccinated and feel comfortable, they can join us in auditorium. Otherwise, as usual, you can enjoy and participate in the program from Zoom link. As I mentioned, this is a drama, right? We are doing skit of Bhagwan Mahavir Janma from Chevan to the Janma celebration, Swapna Darshan to final. જે રીતે આપણે સ્નાત્ર કરીએ exact flow જશે, but in between we have music explanation, because nowadays rituals are very જ્યારે આપણા youth વધે, it's very difficult to ask them just follow the rituals. What is the meaning of rituals, right? So everything we have taken care this time to make sure whatever we do, Tapovan team explain in detail what is the meaning of that. Not only that, this is as I mentioned, this is a drama, so you have many opportunities to participate. If you want to be Bhagwan Mata Pita, it's available. If you want to be Indra Maharaja, it's available. Dip Kumaris, Ventarji, and all like Dup Puja, Full Puja, right? Whatever opportunities come during that Snatra Mahotsav, right? You can participate also. If you are in auditorium, definitely we will provide all the set, everything. માતા પિતા કે ઇન્દ્ર રાજા બને તો we try to give you આપણે વ્યવસ્થિત પેલા કપડા ને એવી રીતે કે જે લાગે કે આપણે માતા પિતા બન્યા રાજા મહારાજા છે ને something like that. But if you are supporting from home, that's fine too, no issue. Don't worry about the basically script or lines કે જે તમારે બોલવાની આવશે. If you participate in a particular role, Tapovan is providing that script. Maybe 4 line 5 line વધારે નહીં હોય, you can just read 2. It's not necessary કે આપણે we remember and speak. You can do that, that's great. If not, that's fine too. So this is the first time we are planning to have this kind of unique opportunity કે જ્યારે ભગવાનનો જન્મ છે અને જે આપણી ટ્રેડિશન છે, right? Cultural programs. I think Sheetalben can talk more, but I think 2 ladies groups are working to have live performances during that drama celebration ke Bhagwan no janam thaya, and one performance, something like ek sari opportunity ave and we have that performances like last year. If you cannot make it, right, 30 seconds family messages, 30 seconds your kids performance, etc., definitely we welcome it. And જ્યાં જ્યાં બી આપણને opportunity મળશે, we will telecast on Zoom as well as on the screen in the auditorium of your all messages. So basically, like last year we had Tapovan lectures and everything. Instead of that, this year we are tapping Snatra Mahotsav, because as you know, right, traditionally we always have first event Sangatit Puja, where we do Snatra and Pashwa Kalyanak Puja by Rajiv ji and Kavita ji. But this year, because of the COVID limitation, right, Hindu વધારે gathering possible નતું હિન્દુ મંદિરમાં, so we generally waited, skipped it. But now we have this great opportunity where we can have this event. So please mark your calendar, please. This is the first unique event we all should celebrate together. જે ભગવાન આપણે બેસાડેલા છે અને આપણે ત્યાં છે મહાવીર ભગવાન, જેના શાસનમાં we all are here, એમનો તિથિ પ્રમાણે જન્મદિવસ એટલા ધૂમધામથી આપણે સેલિબ્રેટ કરીએ. And this time I assure you it will be the great event. Live music from Tapovan studio, so this is kind of customized for us, and that the relation we have built across globe to get that kind of support for our son. So please don't miss it. Please mark your calendar, join us. We are planning to start at 9:30 and wrap up around 12. The good thing, it's in middle of Holi પણ આવે છે. So we are also working કે 12 o'clock event pate, so our Bharti Ben, our food team is also looking for kind of opportunities, how we can provide kind of box lunch or something, or those who has Oli, how we can provide ambil to them. So, but again, we are dependent on Hindu Mandir's support based on the COVID situation. So we are tried. But again, your safety, your health is our top priority. So please keep eyes open and look for more details for this event. Before taking much time, I would like give stage back to Karanji.
Thank you very much, Parthiv bhai. Yeah, we are all looking forward to the Mahavir Janma Kalyanak event. So yeah, moving forward, this year, as you might be aware, the Jaina convention is organized virtually, and it is a great opportunity for each of us to be part of this amazing event. So let's start by watching a small video about the Jaina convention. Parthiv bhai, can you play the video?
Sure.
Jaina invites you to join us on the Resilient Path to Peace at the virtual 21st Biennial Jaina Convention from July 1st to 6th. Invite your friends and family from around the world to join us as the Jaina Convention goes global for the first time in history. Presented in a new virtual experience, this is a convention you won't want to miss. If you can't attend a session live, watch it on demand at any time, anywhere in the world on any device. Enlighten yourself with discourses by world-renowned scholars and spiritual leaders such as Gurudev Namra Muniji, Brahma Kumari Sister Shivani, and motivational speaker Rahul Kapoor Jain. Attend exclusive sessions hosted by the Young Jains of America, Young Jain Professionals, and Jain Connect. Participate in competitions such as Jain's Got Talent and the Jain Academic Bowl. And for the first time at Jaina Convention, take part in an international jab. With a wide variety of programming for every age group, you can be sure there's something for everyone at the 21st Biennial Jaina Convention. Attend entertaining programs such as unique cultural shows, spiritual bhakti bhanas, a special drama, and many more to be announced. Come and take the Resilient Path to Peace with us at the virtual 21st Biennial Jaina Convention from July 1st to 6th at jainaconvention.org.
Thank you very much, Parthiv bhai. So as I mentioned, so this year it's a great opportunity for all of us because Jaina convention is happening online. So as you can see on the slide over here, there are like it's like filled up, like there are like 6 days of full sessions, programs, events, dramas. There are a lot of like speakers coming in. As you can see, 130 plus sessions in there, 10 plus cultural and religious programs. So definitely it's a great event to be part of, and definitely I'll definitely appeal and I'll request everyone that it's an event one should not miss. Next slide, please. So yeah, the Jaina convention is a 6-day event, like full of programs and full of events. So and the great thing is that it's also during the holiday weekend, the 4th of July holiday weekend. So we can all like relax at home because of the COVID situation. Like people might not be prefer like to go out a lot. So it will be a great opportunity for all of us to like stay at home and be a part of this great Jaina convention. Next slide. So as of March 23rd, the total like registration from JCM for the Jaina convention was a total of 63. As we know, like our sung is a pretty big sung, right around like 135ish members, and even if only like 2 of from a family would register for the event, we can have a really big number of registration for the Jaina convention, and by giving a big number of registrations for the Jaina convention, we can definitely put a big recognition for our Sangh, our Jain Center of Minnesota Sangh, to the Jaina event, to the big platform. So I will definitely request everyone to register for the Jaina convention. It is pretty easy. I can even share the link down in the chat over here, and we can also share the link as Parthiv Bhai and other members have already shared it on the WhatsApp group, we'll definitely share it again. So I'd like to request everyone to please register, and it will be a fun event. It will be definitely really informative and exciting, as well as like a lot of like cultural program for our knowledge and appreciation. So yeah, now moving forward, I'd like to invite Sri Ram Gada uncle, our Jaina director, to say and talk a little bit more about the Jaina Convention sponsorship opportunities. Ram uncle, over to you.
Jai Jinendra. You already saw the video about the Jaina historic 21st Biennial Convention. In historic in a two sense. One is Jaina is completing 40 years of glorious history. Jaina was established in 1981 and JCM joined in 1989. And as you know, in 2019, we celebrated 30 years. This would be a worldwide exhibition. Instead of 4 days normally, this will be a 6 days. Every Jains around the world will participate in this. As Karan said, we at the Jain Center of Minnesota, every member of the Jain Sangh should be part. So please register. Still, there are 3 more days at $10 registration price by March 31. So please register and establish the record where we have 100% Sangh members are attending Jaina Convention. How can we sponsor this? You know, if you go, how many of you have attended Jaina Convention? I know I don't see everybody raise hands or anything like that. How many have you attended Jaina Convention? I think largest number of JCM people were at 2013 Detroit Jaina Convention, where we had busloads of people there. Other than that, I don't see too many people from Jain Center of Minnesota attending in person the convention. Conventions are very, very interesting, where you meet thousands of people, lots of cultural program, youth and everyone. And also, it's our responsibility as a Jain member to support this organization, which is making the strides at the universities and worldwide, the unity of Jains, publishing a lot of literature about Jainism. It's a tremendous, tremendous spread of Jainism in Ahimsa, Anekant, and Aparigraha. So how can we support? One thing would be a souvenir. We have already, JCM, taken part in souvenirs. You can become Sanghpati, Mahasangpati, patron. You can sponsor the speakers. You can sponsor the sadhus and sadhvis who are attending and lecturing. So there are many, many opportunities. JCM will publish how you can support. But one thing this year, we as a Jain Sangh will be participating, and our show would be there, which already people are working on it, and many of you are participating. Second thing, you can dress up your yourself and your wife and family, and send those photos to Jaina. They will show that. Third thing would be, we as a Jain Center, if possible, we should be part of the procession. So we should prepare the procession video. So Mahavir Jayanti would be the time probably of those people who are there, we can have the procession video. And that video, they will compile with all other centers. So the whole world would see the Jain Center of Minnesota, along with many other Jain centers throughout North Canada, North America. How else we can support? The best way to support, because there are so many levels of donations are there. You can support the dinner, not dinner, but you can support the lecture, you can support the Bollywood night, you can support the jab. But as a Sangh, I think we should create a fund, and we should all donate into that fund, and then we can sponsor one event, whatever JCM board decides. But I think we should start with whatever way you can help, because if you go personally to Jaina convention, for a family, it can cost very easily $2,000 with the airfare, hotel, registration, so on and so forth. But this is only in if you are registered already, you already paid $5 only, and now if you register by 31st, you pay only $10, even otherwise later on, only $20 or so and so forth. So this is the great time to sponsor collectively. So let JCM please start donating into this fund. I will request Parthiv Shah and the JCM board to come up with a plan, and then we can support collectively. There is some deadline, so we can't wait too long. But I was attending the conference the other day. There are many people are supporting, many Sanghs are supporting. So I think we have already done before, and we can do it again. So I think we as a Sangh are part of the whole Jaina. So please support. Thank you.
Right, Rambhai, Jai Jinendra, thank you very much. Yes, as a board, we are working on it. And we will definitely come up with a very good plan. As you know, all president of Midwest, we are meeting today, not only for Sangh level, but as a Midwest level also, what collectively we can do. And definitely it will be cascaded down to our Sangh, as you mentioned, as a plan based on the size. So thank you very much for that. Next, Karan, back to Karan.
Yes, thank you very much, Ram Uncle. Yeah, definitely after listening to you, everyone will be not only participating, not only joining, but even like trying to sponsor the various events in the Jaina convention. So moving forward, I'd like to request Srimati Sheetal Bhavin Shah to talk a little bit more about the Jaina cultural program participation opportunities. Sheetal, over to you.
Hey, Jinendra, everybody. As Karan Bhai Ram Uncle shared, this is one of a kind of virtual event, Jaina convention, which many of us might not be able to attend in person, but this is our opportunity to participate virtually and be part of this international event. So there are more than 4 different ways, so I'll talk about one at a time. So they have extended the deadline for submitting fashion show video. So you can dress up as a Bollywood celebrity, or you can select any of the categories mentioned here, 1960s to 70s, 80s to 90s, 2000 to current. And it can be any age group. You can mix and match, you can have whole family in the video, and your video should be no longer than, I think, 1 minute. So 30 seconds to 1 minute. All you need to do is dress up, take a ramp walk, and submit your video. They will take care of everything else, like editing, audio, we don't have to worry about. We just have to make sure that the area is well lit and we are recording in horizontal way. That is called landscaping. And once you are done, there is a link to upload the video. And if you need any help with all these uploading or any questions, you can message me or call me. I will be happy to help you in that terms. Another way, as Ram Uncle was mentioning, we are planning to do our video as a whole Sangh. So most likely if like as Parthiv Bhai was saying, everything works out and we are meeting in person as well, maybe we can record a small video, and they are going to use the song Mission Kashmir, and we will have only simple actions. So again, any age group is welcome to join. And in case if you are not welcome to join in person and still interested, let me know. I will be happy to do a Zoom recording for all the participants, those who want to participate virtually. And the deadline for that is April 15, but I would request them to extend that little bit so we can be part of as a whole Jain Sangh, Jain Center of Minnesota. And You might have seen the messages earlier. We are participating in the group performance in the cultural event. We have 2 nights of cultural event this time. So right now we have 19 participants doing 2 different dance groups. If you are still interested, they have extended the deadline. You only have to do dance performance. The theme is festivals around the world, and you have to have minimum 6 participants, and your performance should not go beyond 5 minutes. So again, if you need any help, I have all more details for the group performances as well. So please feel free to contact me. And another way to participate, I think there are 2 more slides. One is Pathshala Kids um, involvement. So Pathshala Kids or any kid can recite Uva Sagaharam, Sarvamangala, Shivamastu, Chatari Mangalam, and Khamemi Savajiva. And it needs to be one kid in one video. You simply just have to record the video and send it to them, upload it to the Google Drive mentioned, and they will take care of all the editing and everything else. So as many kids from our Jain Center of Minnesota can participate, it would be a great presence over there. And this is another unique event. This says Jain's Got Talent. So here they are divided into 3 age groups. One group is 17 years and under, second group is 18 to 34 years, and third group is 35 years and above. So here again, any age group can participate. The theme for the whole Jaina convention is a resilient path to the peace. So Jainism, if you have that theme in your video, you will get bonus points. So here, this is kind of a competition. So once you submit the video based on the age group, there will be competition, and I will decide the best video and announce the winners. And here it is not limited to just audio or video. You can do a skit. You can use Bollywood songs that's appropriate for Jaina convention and which is giving this message of peace. So if you are interested, or your kids or family are interested, you can do individual or group performance. So again, solo or group performance are welcome for this entire Jain's Got Talent event. And as Parthibai said, for Mahavir Janma Kalyanak, we are looking for more groups to participate in the dance within our story. So again, the dance should not be more than 3 minutes, but if you need more help and more idea about that, I can help you out. You can message me or call me, or you can WhatsApp me from our Jain Center group. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Sheetal. Thank you very much. Definitely, we will keep update, provide WhatsApp and next event also. So now I would like to request Bhavin Bhai, Vice President, to take the program from here for Aarti.
Right, very exciting, Sheetal Ben. Thank you for sharing all the information. I'm sure a lot of people are going to be interested and would like to ask you questions and such. So please do reach out and participate as much as you can. So we are now going to transition to Aarti and Mangal Divo. As Parthibai said in the beginning, hopefully you were able to collect material, Diva and Thali, and are able to join us here. So we are going to run the music for the Aarti and Mangal Divo, and so you should be able to hear. And then please turn on your video. So what we will try to do is spotlight various people doing the Aarti so that all of us can view each other and do more bhav. So we will start. I think we need to give people a couple minutes here so that people can organize. So please go ahead, and we'll start in a couple minutes. So please get started.
Perfect. Thank you, Bhavin Bhai. Yeah.
Okay, I see some people have already are ready. So Parthiba, if you want to start the music so that we can get started here, please.
Sure, just a minute. Yes.
सोने की छड़ी रुपए की मशाल, जरियम का जामा मोतियन की माला, आज उसे बाजू से निगाह रखो, जीव दया प्रतिपालक कर्ण लोकना नाथ, देवादिदेव नाभि नंदन मरुदेवानंदन आदिनाथ परमात्मा ने गणिकम्मा गणिकम्मा गणिकम्मा। नमो रथ सिद्धाचार्य उपाध्याय सर्वसाधुभ्य। जय जय आरती आदि जिनंदा, नाभिराया मरुदेवी को नंदा। पहली आरती पूजा कीजे, नर भव लावो लीजे। दूसरी आरती दीन दयाड़ा, धुड़वा मंडप माँ जग अजवाड़ा। तीसरी आरती त्रिभुवन देवा, सुर नर इंद्र करे तोरी सेवा। चौथी आरती चौगति छोरे, मनवा चित फल शिव सुख पूरे। पंचमी आरती पुण्य उपाया, मुड़ चंदेरु शब गुण गाया। जय जय आरती आदि जिनंदा, नाभिराया मरुदेवी को नंदा। नाभिराया मरुदेवी को नंदा, नाभिराया मरुदेवी को नंदा।
Next, we are going to do Hindi Aarti now.
यह विधि मंगल आरती की जय, पंच परम पद भज सुख लीजय। पहली आरती सिरि जिन राजा, भवदधि पार उतार जिहाजा। यह विधि मंगल आरती की जय, पंच परम पद भज सुख लीजय। दूसरी आरती से धन केरी, सुमरन करत मिटे। यह विधि मंगल आरती की जय, पंच परम पद भज सुख लीजय। तीसरी आरती सूर मुनिंदा, जन्म मरण दुख दूर करें। यह विधि मंगल आरती की जय, पंच परम पद भज सुख लीजय। चौथी आरती सिर लाया। यह विधि मंगल आरती पंच परम पद भज सुख लीजय। पांचवी आरती साधु तुम्हारी, कुमति विनाशन शिव अधिकारी। विधि मंगल आरती की जय, छठी 11
प्रतिमादा
आनंद का यह विधि मंगल
आरती की
पंच परम
पद भज सुख
सातवी आरती
श्री जनमानी
नानक
अनंत स्वर्ग मुक्ति सुखदान
यह विधि मंगल
आरती की
पंच
परम पद भज सुखली
संध्या करके आरती कीजे अपनो जन्म सफल कर लीजिए यह विधि मंगल आरती पंच परम पद
भज सुखली
जो यह आरती करे वो नर नार अमर फल पावे यह विधि मंगल
आरती की
पंच
परम पद भज सुखली
सोने का दीप कपूर की
भांति जगमग जोत जले सारी रात
विधि मंगल
आरती की
पंच
परम पद भज सुखली
बोलो पंच परमेष्ठी भगवान की
नहीं पड़ी
Okay. Finally, now we are going to do Mangal Diva.
तुमको आता मंगल दीपो बेटा
नमोर्हत्सिद्धाचार्योपाध्याय सर्वसाधुभ्यः दिवो 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 रे मंगलिक दिवो रे हे आरती उतारण रे बहु चिरंजीवो रे हे दिवो 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 रे मंगलिक दिवो रे दादा ने आरती उतारण रे बहु चिरंजीवो रे सोहामने घेर पार्वा दिवाड़ी अंबर खेले अमरावाड़ी दीपाड़ भणे ने कुड़ाजवाड़ी भावे भगते विघना निवारी देवो 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 रे मंगलिक देवो रे दादा ने आरती उतारण रे बहु चिरंजीवो रे दीपाड़ भणे ने एकली काड़ी आरती उतारी राजा कुमार पाड़ी अंगेर मंगलिक तुम घेर मंगलिक मंगलिक चतुर्विध संघने हो जो देवो 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 रे मंगलिक देवो रे आरती उतारा रे बहु चिरंजीवो रे हे देवो 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 रे मंगलिक देवो रे दादा आरती उतारा रे बहु चिरंजीवो रे
Bolo Mahavir Swami Bhagwan ki jai. Okay. So that does conclude our program for today, but I would like to thank everyone and especially I would like to thank Alka ji for joining us today and reciting Naukar Mahamantra with us. Really appreciated, and it was nice to see you all. Also the young kids who recited Chattari Mangalam and Vassagaram. It was really well done. I'm really proud. Yep. Right. And then Bhupesh Bhai, thank you for providing all the insight. You have a lot of knowledge, and thank you for sharing it with us. It gives us the context, and sort of the bhav increases because we understand what we are reciting, and it helps us connect to the true nature of things. So really appreciated and very well planned. Bhushan Bhai, thank you for coordinating all of the Bhaktamar Sutra recital activities. Definitely really well planned. And then again, all the families who recited Bhaktamar Sutra, really appreciate your participation. Vinod Bhai, as always, thank you for reciting Moti Shanti. We are very fortunate to hear it from your mouth. And so again, thank you for joining us today and doing the recital. And then Ishwar Bhai, thank you for doing the Shamapna Vani. I mean, we've always enjoyed that. And thank you for joining us today as well. So again, appreciated. And then Ram Bhai, thank you for providing us with the convention information. It gives us much more insight into what is being planned this year, as well as all the opportunities for sponsoring. And then Sheetal Ben, thank you for all the opportunities for us, how we can participate and do all of these activities, as well as all of the support, right? I mean, all of this needs a lot of work, and that support will help some of the newer families who don't have some of the background in this, right? I know that I'm forgetting a lot of people here, so I truly apologize if I have missed someone. Just that we have a short time. We do not want to take more time this morning. But again, thank you everyone for joining us in this program to kick off 2021. We hope this year we will be able to meet in person at some point soon here, hopefully. And wishing everybody stays in good health and takes care and precaution. And again, Jai Jinendra and Pranam.
And at the end, Bhavan, if you can take a picture of everyone.
For
If you
any
can
final notes.
turn on your camera, at least we can take a group picture. So, if possible. For a minute, it will not take up much
Turn
time.
on your camera for a minute here, and then we will, once we take the group picture, hopefully that is it then for tonight, this morning.
Karan, are you ready?
Jai Jinendra.
Jai
Jinendra, Pranam.
Parthiv bhai, can you turn off the sharing so we can see everyone? Yeah, thank you so much.
The people who are not video, please open up your video. People with video.
No, he's not.
I don't know her name. Where's he, Papa? Where's he, Papa?
Yes, it's taken. Thank you very much. And please mark your calendar for 25th April, Mahavir Janma Kalyanak. So please join. And if possible, if you are vaccinated, feel free to join in auditorium. We are still working with Hindu Mandir, so we will keep you updated. Otherwise, as always, Zoom online event, and that this will be a great event from India, from here, and it's a unique experience in history of Minnesota, Jain Center of Minnesota. So please join. Thank you.
Okay, Jai Jinendra.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Jai Jinendra.
Jai Jinendra, everyone.
Happy Holi, Bolia. Holi time.